My name is Denise, and I live in North Fond du Lac. When we looked at the house, it worsened a lot over the years to the point that it was impossible for me to get the step up one big step. And they leveled that and made it look so good. We don't have a big bump to get in and out of our garage. We did have an expansion joint put in, so we know that it's going to last. We're just so pleased with the work that was done. I did some research ahead of time, and everything I read and all the reviews, SureDry came out ahead. That was another thing that impressed us. Who's going to be around in 5 years? We've already had work done by less expensive, somebody local, and then they were gone. And when you have a problem, your warranty is not worth anything if they're not around. I've been seeing SureDry commercials for a long, long time, so I know that SureDry has been around. If anyone is hesitating or not sure, or they're thinking, is this worth this kind of an investment? Yes, absolutely it is. It'll surprise you how much it just makes your life better.